Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can buy bread using your MetaMask wallet. You will need some Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum from any of those exchanges. For this example, I'm going to use Bybit. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, but for this video I'm using Bybit. So you go to your Bybit, you buy some Ethereum, and when you have your Ethereum, you go to assets and you go to your trading account. So here I am, then I type Ethereum, and because your Ethereum is going to be here first in the trading tab, you have to transfer your Ethereum to your funding account. Right? So from the trading account, you transfer this Ethereum to your funding account. And when you transfer it, you go to the funding, you type Ethereum, and you click withdraw. But now, of course, the question is, where do I withdraw this Ethereum to? First, you will need MetaMask wallet extension for your browser. In this video, I'm gonna use the browser extension. When you have the MetaMask wallet installed on your browser, it should be over here at the right top corner. You click it and you create the wallet. When you create your wallet, this is how your wallet should look like. And in order to receive your Ethereum, first make sure that you are on the Ethereum mainnet. When you're on the Ethereum mainnet, this is your Ethereum address. So you copy this address and you go to Bybit and you paste the wallet. When you go to the chain type, make sure you selected the ERC20 chain type, because this is the chain type that we're using to transfer the Ethereum. Please be aware that if you're using the wrong chain type, you might lose all your Ethereum. And then you go to the amount that you want to send, and then you go to O. For this video I'm using O, and then I click confirm. After I click confirmation, it may take a couple of minutes before my Ethereum arrives to my MetaMask wallet. But when my Ethereum arrives, what I have to do next is go to bridge, you click it, and then you will see this screen. So what you have to do next is select the network that Brett is using. It's obviously Base, and then you're selecting Ethereum, and on the right side you're also selecting Ethereum, and then you're entering the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer, you want to bridge, to your Base network. So in summary, you're transferring Ethereum from the Ethereum network to the Base network. Before that, you have to connect your wallet. As you can see here, it asks for confirmation, and now we are ready to transfer the Ethereum from the Ethereum network to the Base network. When you're done transferring your Ethereum, keep in mind this may take a couple of minutes. Sometimes it can take up to 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even longer. It depends how busy the network is. When you're done bridging your Ethereum from the Ethereum network to the Base network, you have to go to swap here on the left, and you have to select the Base network. When you select it, it's going to ask you for confirmation if you want to switch your MetaMask network. So in this case, I'm switching the network, and now I can swap my Ethereum that is on the Base network for bread. But before you swap for bread, make sure you're actually buying the correct bread. But how do you confirm this? It's very simple. All you have to do is go to their official website and copy this. You copy, you go back, and you paste, and bread shows automatically. You click it, and now you're ready to buy some bread.